CFS Freight Intelligence, optimizing transport from origin to destination. Combining logistics expertise with digital freight management, CFS supports cargo movement through strategic routing,
carrier coordination, trucking operations, and supply chain optimization. We are expanding our international network of agents, distributors, and logistics partners. Our specialized transport services include ADR and waste-certified vehicles, dangerous goods transportation, specialized cargo handling, cargo insurance coverage, carrier's liability protection, international freight coordination. Quote now: https://cargo and freights.com/quote/. Send email info@cfs-hellasgr. Tired of shipping drama? CFS makes everything super easy. Quote now.